everybody. Happy 80th birthday, Papa Boy. Wish ko lang sa iyo na na humaba pa ang buhay mo para matagal pa tayong magkasama-sama. Sana makauwi pa kayo this year para enjoy lang. Alam mo naman, pag nandito ka, lagi ako may bisita umaga, hapon dahil nandito sa akin si Mami. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi Ninong Boy! Happy 80th birthday! I am very thankful sa inyo pong dalawa ni Ninang Ellen for being a very supportive godparents. Mula pa nung nag-aaral kami and even nung nag-start po ako mag-work sa Euromed. Sana po makabalik ulit kayo sa Pilipinas para makapag-bonding with Mama. Again, happy 80th birthday and see you!
Happy birthday, Lolo Boy! Happy 80th birthday! Sana po umuwi kayo this year. Tsaka po magkakita-kita tayo, magkasaya-saya ulit, mag-bonding tayo. So, yun lang po. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy 80th birthday po! Wishing you all the best and sana po good health para magkita pa po tayo and makauwi kayo this year para po makapag-celebrate pa tayo ng Christmas and New Year together. Ayun po. Happy birthday!
Happy 80th birthday po, Ninong Boy. Wishing you all the best, especially today po. Wish ko po na sana magawa niyo pa po yung mga gusto niyong gawin at tumagal pa po ang buhay niyo. Sana po magkaroon ng chance na makauwi po kayo dito para makapag-celebrate. Ayun po. Muli po, happy birthday at mabuhay po kayo hanggat gusto niyo po.
Happy
Bye.
birthday! Bye!
Bye!
Hello, Tito Boy! Kamusta po? Happy birthday po sa inyo. More blessings. Ang wish po namin sa inyo. Good health. At marami pa pong celebrations na dumating. Enjoy po kayo sa party at happy birthday po sa inyo. Okay?
Happy birthday, Ninong Boy!
Happy birthday po. From the Philippines yan, ha? We wish you a very good day today. Sana po you'll enjoy today and the rest of the year. 80 years, wow, it's a milestone. We wish you all the love, all the good things in life with your loved ones. Sana po we can see each other again when you come back. Okay, enjoy today, have fun!
Hello,
Hello!
Uncle!
Maligayang bati, Ninong!
Kumusta
Happy
na, Ninong? 80th
80th
birthday.
birthday.
Wow, hallelujah.
Wow, Superman.
Blessing na po yun. 80th, laki ba kukuha niyo po sa gobyerno? Lalo na dyan, pensyonado na po kayo dyan, no, sa Canada. Na po, God bless Ninong Boy at patuloy kayong palakasin ni Lord. At salamat po sa patuloy na ginagawa ng Diyos sa buhay ninyo. Na patuloy kayong maliksi, malakas at kung paano nyo binuhay ang inyong mga anak na maging matagumpay. Nakikita ni Lord po yan. Si Helen, we miss you. Noel, Josephine, May, iba pang mga pinsan ko. Pasensya na po. Dami si Janice, no? Sino pa ba? Ayun, nalimutan pa po ako. Tsaka yung mga ano niyo po, yung mga anak, mga apo niyo na, no? Lalaki na.
Happy birthday, Ninong!
God bless, Ninong. God bless po.
Long
Palakasin kayo
life,
ni Lord.
good health.
Good health.
God bless you. We
Ate
miss
Helen,
you.
bye-bye, Ate Helen. We love you po. God bless po.
Hi, Uncle, Auntie. Kamusta na kayo? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy 80th birthday.
80th birthday, big 80. Big 80.
Kamusta na kayo lahat dyan?
It's a joyful celebration.
Yeah.
It's a big blessing na ma-reach ang
Yes.
80 years
Yes.
ng buhay natin. Salamat sa Panginoon sa iyong patuloy na good health,
Pahabang buhay.
yeah,
Para
kalakasan.
makita pa yung ating mga apo-apos, apos sa tuhod, apos sa talapakan, at apos sa ano pa ba sa sunod.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Oo, sobrang dami na nun. Ikain nyo na lang kami. At sayang, hindi kami makapunta dyan. Just enjoy the celebration with your family. And may you have many, many, many more years to come. And God bless you.
God bless.
Long
Long life.
Nabubulol ako eh. Long life and good health. Patuloy kayong biyayaan ng Panginoon.
More birthday to come. More celebration to come.
Just enjoy life to the fullest
Yeah.
with your loved ones. Ganon
That's
din
it.
si Auntie
Yeah,
Helen.
that's true.
Okay, God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy 8th birthday.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Uncle, happy birthday po sa inyo. Wish ko po sa inyo more birthdays to come pa po. Good health. And God bless po sa inyo. Ulit, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hi Tito Boy, this is Medi. Happy birthday po. I know you're celebrating this special day with your kids and grandkids. It's so unfortunate that the rest of them are in the Philippines. But I am sure they're celebrating with you. So, may God bless you always. May He keep you strong and healthy each day, okay? I love you and I miss you. I hope to see you soon, you and Auntie, okay? Love you, Tito. Bye-bye.
Sige ma, testing.
Hi, Tito Boy. Happy birthday. Sana abutin ka pa ng maraming taon. Habang kami nandito, nagmamahal sa'yo. Happy birthday. Wala yung mga anak ko, mga hihiya lahat eh. Pasensya ka na. Happy birthday ah. Tito Boy, see you soon. I love you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Boy. Happy debutante 80th birthday. May you have more birthday to come. Mag-iingat ka lagi, Tito. Alam ko, mana ako sa'yo eh. Mana ako sa'yo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Tito Boy, happy birthday. Game na.
Happy birthday, Tito Boy. Para sa pinakagwapo kong tiyo. Wala nang iba, kundi si Lolo Boy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Boy. 30 years pa. May 1 milyon ka na sa Pilipinas.
Birthday, Tito Boy!
Happy birthday, Tito Boy.
Happy birthday po, Tito Boy.
Happy birthday po, Tito Boy.
Happy birthday, Lolo Boy!
Hi, Tito Boy. Happy birthday. God bless and take care always. Hope to see you soon. I love you. Miss you.
Birthday, Lola Boy. Happy birthday, Lola Boy. Happy birthday, Lola Boy. Happy birthday to you. Wish you good health, and I love you.
Like this.
Happy birthday, Tito Boy! Happy birthday po, Lolo Boy!
Happy birthday, Lolo Boy! Lolo Boy! Lolo Boy!
Hi, Lolo Boy. Happy birthday po.
Hello po! Happy birthday, Tito Boy! God bless you po!
Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang bati.
Happy birthday, Lolo Boy!
Happy birthday, Lola Boy.
Love you! Bye!
Happy birthday, Lola Boy.
Happy birthday, Lola Boy.
See you later.
Bye!
Hello! Hi, Lola Boy. Happy birthday
Happy
po.
birthday.
Happy 80th birthday. We wish you lots of years of good health, love, and more travels with family. And guys, you want to say happy birthday?
More blessings. Happy birthday.
God bless you
Many more
always.
birthdays to come.
See you soon. We love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Enjoy.
Birthday po, Lolo Boy. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Love you.
Kamusta na? Happy birthday dyan, ha? O ano, huwag mo akong kalilimutan. Si Mamang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Hope you enjoyed your party.
Go, let's go!
Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Thank you sa love and pag-support sa amin ni Mami and pag-aalaga sa nanay ko. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo! We love you. Enjoy today.
Hi, Pa. Happy birthday. We hope you enjoy your birthday celebration today. Stay happy and healthy always.
Thank you for always being there for us. We love you and
We'll see you soon.
Birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you and miss you. Come visit us. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. I love you, Lola and Lola. I miss you so much. I miss the Canada and Philippines. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Lola. I love you. I miss you.
What else do you want to tell Lola?
I love you so much.